I wish somebody would have told me this 5 years ago when I was just starting out trying to figure out science based weight loss. So that's why I'm going to share this one with you guys today. All right, so you guys spoke and I listened. You're loving the benefits of the apple cider vinegar being worked into your daily meal plan, but you're wanting more of a variety. So I totally get it. I hit the science books and I did more science based research, and I have 6 or 7 different videos coming out that you can start to incorporate so you don't get sick of them. Today, we are going to do 8 to 12 ounces of water with the apple cider vinegar with the mother. And make sure your glass of water is room temperature. Yes, it is important that it's not too cold and not too hot, room temperature. 1 tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar. And then for this one, we are adding in ginger. Now, just a little bit as to why this is going to benefit you. Ginger increases thermogenesis. This is a fat-burning chemical operation that takes place inside of your body, and it improves digestion, gut motility, and does all the good things. You need all of these things to be aligned to achieve your weight loss goals. So as you can see, I've been doing this one for a while because I really wanted to see if the benefits were worth sharing with you guys, and they are. 1/2 teaspoon of the ginger sprinkled in, and you're going to mix that in. And we have to sip on this with a straw because of the acidity. And I'm trusting that you've all checked with your doctor that it's okay for you to have the apple cider vinegar, and just go at your own pace. Sip on this over the course of the next 20 minutes to a half hour. Do not chug it. You don't have to. It's not a race. I just thought it was time to clear up any of the confusion. Does apple cider vinegar help with weight loss? Yes, but not in the way that you think. It's not burning anything up inside of your body, and you're not going to be skinny by tomorrow. Weight loss, sustainable weight loss, is a marathon, and it's a lifestyle change. So start incorporating all of my apple cider vinegar drinks into your daily meal plan. Choose to prioritize your weight loss. Be consistent, and that's how you're going to see the results. They're all going to be science-based. There is a reason why the chemical reaction in this is going to work with your body to achieve your weight loss goals. So I'm going to go sip on this, and then I'm going to go do my morning workout. And I hope that this inspires and encourages you. If it does, please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Check out the other videos. And if you know of anybody else looking to go on a healthy weight loss journey, share this video with them, share my channel, and we can all go at it together. Cheers.